With the automation assistant of the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus app and Jira Automation, you can automatically set values for your risks when you have more complex risk assessment process. In this example, we use the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus application together with the Jira Automation to build an automation that automatically sets the maximum value from two different impact fields. We use a simple two-dimensional risk matrix with just one iteration. In addition to that, we use a simple risk table template where we have created two additional custom fields next to our risk fields from Risk Model. You can use a similar approach when you have more risk characteristics that you need to use in your risk model. Simply use your own custom fields with specified field options as risk characteristics. In our example, we have two single select fields, which are created by the Jira administrator. Both fields have only two options here, but it is enough to demonstrate how the automation works. Also, these fields are added to the Jira screens of our example Jira project, so they are ready to be used in our risk table as the source of main risk impact. Once the fields are ready, then add these also to the table template. Note that there are two select list custom fields that are called Impact 1 and Impact 2. In addition to these fields, we have a table column named Impact Maximum that is mapped to display the risk characteristic called Impact from our risk model. So let's see how the table looks like and if we can update our newly added custom fields. As you can see, we have three impact fields in our table now. First two are our custom single select fields. Third one is the actual risk characteristic from our risk model. If you see a notification field is not on screen, then just open the Jira project settings and add the custom field to your Jira screens. Next step is to create the Jira automation rule that updates the impact maximum field value when either one of the impact custom fields value changes. Before implementing the rule, you can check out the automation assistant of the Risk Manager Plus. You can see more detailed demo video of the automation assistant in SoftComply's YouTube channel. In this video, we only show how to prepare the data when one of the impact custom field values is updated prior to creating the rule itself. Simply pick the correct options to generate the data and use that data later in your automation rule. Note that each risk characteristic that you want to update has different ID. You can find Jira Automation from the system settings of Jira. Only Jira administrators have access to it. You can create a new rule and apply it to your desired Jira project. We have prepared an example automation rule this time. The rule has one trigger. It listens to the events where the field value changes. It means that when a change is detected in our desired field values, then it activates your desired action. We also use conditions to detect different values. In our example, if the new value of either one of the fields is the lower value, then we set our impact maximum value also to low. We use send web request trigger for that. In the second branch of our rule, we set impact maximum value to the highest, but only when either one of the impact custom field values is high. As a result, our impact maximum value is updated always when impact custom field values change. Let's see it in action. As you can see, it updated the impact value. You can use all the features of the Jira automation to create more complex rules. Thus, you can use conditions and branches to customize your automation rules. If you wish to learn more about setting up your automation, please contact the SoftComply team.